Well, Mangalam, we had a new kid on the block earlier today, Senco. Tell us more about that. I mean, it listed a big premium.
Yes, it listed at a big premium, Nigel. And, talking about Senco Gold itself, there are three reasons why it listed at a big premium. The first one, of course, was there was strong demand for the IPO. In fact, the IPO, which sought around 405 crores fundraise, was oversubscribed by almost 38 times. So as a result of which, there was strong demand. Secondly, the company left some value on the table. It was offered at around 15.5 times trailing price to earnings, which actually was much lower to its comparable peers, the likes of Thangamayil and Kalyan Jewellers as well. And the third part is between the IPO's offering and the listing, there were two updates coming in from both Titan as well as Kalyan Jewellers, telling you that the jewelry business in the first quarter has been extremely strong, and as a result of which there was excitement around this listing too. Now, after the listing, the thing is, where do the valuations stand? It was offered at 15.5 times. As compared to Thangamayil and Kalyan, it is still at a discount. 22 times, 28 times is Thangamayil, and Kalyan is 46 times. Remember, Kalyan, of course, has seen a big rally in the recent past itself. About Senco Gold is the largest organized jewelry retailer in the eastern part of the country, where nearly 70% of their revenues come in from West Bengal, and gold accounts for nearly 90% of their sales. So increasing proportion of gold in their overall revenue, increasing proportion of diamond in their overall revenue is something that we'll be looking at. How does it stack up against the peers? Of course, Titan is head and shoulders above everyone else in the industry. That's not a direct comparable. Compare it with Thangamayil and Kalyan Jewellers. Its revenues are slightly higher than Thangamayil, slightly below Kalyan Jewellers. Margins, again, it's higher than Thangamayil, but as comparable to Kalyan Jewellers as it gets, close to around 8% in the last year itself. Titan, of course, does 12%. As far as net profit is concerned, Senco did net profits of 158 crores. Thangamayil did close to around 80 crores last year, and Kalyan did 432 odd crores. Post the issue opening, we spoke to the company, and what they said to us is that they will continue to add around 10 to 12 stores annually. Half of them will be owned, half of them will be franchised. Secondly, historical CAGR for the company has been around 20%, and they expect to continue that going forward. But most importantly, I'll watch out for how the margins pan out, because their diamond business, which accounts for less than 10% of their overall sales, is growing much faster than the average rate of growth of the company. So if that were to happen, the margins of the company expand from here on, and that is something we'll be watching out for.
All right, Mangalam, thanks a lot for that. Well, so that one's doing very well actually in today's trading session. But another